Okay, so right here we have a 2011 GT500. They want $37,900 for it. It's pretty cool how it has a snake, but it needs vinyl. It's been bottomed out a little bit, so it needs a new chin guard down there. The outside of it's pretty nice. Rims are nice, they're in good shape. Doesn't look like they've got any curb rash on them. The inside, if you can see, stick shift, looks pretty nice. The fuel door is actually metal, and it has the easy thing, so there's no cap on it. So that's pretty cool. Has the Shelby lettering crossed, has the cool snake on the trunk. Again, still needs some work on the vinyl. It's got a little bit of damage there, which is something to be expected because mine, I know the vinyl is going to go eventually, but overall it looks pretty nice. The roof is black, has those added on, which these are 3M adhesive. You can see it right there, just like the louvers. So if anybody's interested, that's the price tag. Don't really know how I feel about the no warranty though, and it's being a 2017 or 2011, so